Earth is only one of the planets in our solar system. There are 7 other planets that also orbit our Sun. The planet Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the smallest planet in our solar system. It is 77 million kilometers, 55 million miles, away from Earth. It is sometimes possible to see Mercury in the sky at night, but it can be very hard to spot. Mercury is a tiny planet, about the same size as the Moon. It is rocky, dusty and covered in craters from being hit by objects floating through space. It also has some volcanoes on its surface. And LT. Break time is equal to 2s and gt. Mercury is the fastest moving planet in the solar system. It zooms around the Sun in only 88 days. This is why it is named Mercury, after the swift Roman messenger god. Mercury is very different to Earth. On Mercury, one day lasts the same as 59 days on Earth. The surface of Mercury gets extremely hot when in sunlight, much hotter than anywhere on Earth. The parts of the surface out of the sunlight get extremely cold, much colder than anywhere on Earth. Mercury does not have any moons. In 2008, the Messenger probe performed 3 flypasts, taking photographs of Mercury. In 2011, Messenger entered Mercury's orbit. It took close-up photographs of the planet's surface, including volcanoes, craters and valleys. It also collected information on what Mercury is made from. It finished its mission in 2015 and crashed into the planet's surface. In October 2018, the Bepi-Colombo mission to Mercury launched. It is hoped that it will reach Mercury in 2025 in order to learn more about the planet. Bepi-Colombo is named after Giuseppe Bepi-Colombo, an Italian scientist who worked on the Mariner 10 mission and died in 1984. The colorful image is how the spacecraft sees Mercury before the colors are changed by scientists to show what our eyes would see. A close-up photograph of Mercury's surface, showing lots of craters up close in detail. This image shows Chloris Planitia, a huge impact site. This is the large orange area in the picture. This photograph shows some of Mercury's craters close up in detail. A detailed photograph of Mercury taken by the Messenger probe in 2011. This photograph shows Mercury passing in front of the Sun. This is known as the transit of Mercury. Seeing Mercury travel across the Sun from Earth only happens 13 times every 100 years. The next time this is due to happen is the 13th November 2032. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.